These are basically 7 prescriptions or commandments for financial stewardship. So we already had 3 commandments, and these are very simple. Simple but hard to do. Okay? So kung hindi po kayo nagsasave, hindi mag-save, start saving. Di ba? If you haven't started the habit of giving, then start giving. Kung may utang po kayo, or may balak kayong magkautang, wag na. Get out of debt. Number 4. Okay? And this is, yung pagiging simple ng buhay, of course, it's relative. Pero kung napapansin nyo, habang tumataas ang sweldo nyo, ay tumataas na rin yung standard of living nyo, kailangan natin pag-isipan yan. Ano bang dinagdag ko sa lifestyle ko? Diba? So, start living simply. And then number 5, you might want to consider, be more enterprising. Diba? Binigyan tayo ng Diyos ng pare-parehong 24 hours a day. I know many friends of mine, ang sabi na the key to their wealth was what they did after 9 to 5. Kung anong ginagawa nila from 6 to 9 in the evening. Marami silang mga ginagawa, mga side hustle, online business na pwedeng gawin after office hours. And then number 6, learn how to invest. Dati hindi ako marunong mag-invest sa stock market. Hindi ko alam yung mga UITF. Akala ko UTI yun eh. Akala ko sakit yun eh. UITF, di ba? Mutual funds. MU lang alam ko noon dati. Pero ito, yung mutual funds, di ba? So, kailangan natin pag-aralan yan. We need to learn how to invest.